Well, remember this thing? This was an experiment that completely failed. So last year, Total Boat sent me some epoxy to try. I basically used the wrong epoxy for this thick pour. But now, Total Boat has sent me more thick set, which will be more appropriate for this type of work. So, I have just the piece of wood. and busted. New hotness. This project was a long time coming because I spent a lot of time just waiting for things to cure. The epoxy takes several days to cure because it's thickset, and I did 3 pours on here. I would call this project a success compared to the old one. I'm not satisfied with the fact that it's not clear. If you look at it from the edge, yeah, it looks good from the top, but from the edge, it's really pretty cloudy. It's not as clear as I was hoping it would be. Could be a few factors for that. There might have been some particulate that got in there. It's very dusty in here a lot of the time. Also, you can see the lines between the pores. I was trying to avoid that. The Total Boat reps recommended I put a skim coat over the top to avoid getting those bubbles. I didn't do that, so that's my own fault. I was hoping that you could see more of the depth of this piece of walnut that I used as the base. I feel like the depth of the wood is lost now. I did this in multiple pours in order to try to get the rays suspended in the epoxy rather than having them stuck on the bottom. Thanks a lot to Total Boat for sending this kit for me to try. You know, after doing this project, I said to myself, I think I'll stick with regular wood for a little while. Another thing I learned about the thickset epoxy is that if you put it on a vertical surface, it kind of runs down the side and doesn't coat it very well. So I sanded off the sides and I put some of this Total Boat Halcyon clear gloss varnish on it, and I was actually pretty impressed how smooth it went on and clear. I learned some things that I can apply to my next attempt at using epoxy, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button to tune in and see more cool projects like this from Cammy's Garage.